Now, according to Delhi police sources, the crime branch and the special cell are combing through footage to identify the perpetrators of yesterday's violence. The police lens is particularly on those who attacked cops, the vandals and those who breached the Red Fort. The Red Fort hooligans also, the police is focusing on to try and identify who these people were and then to take subsequent action. Ashutosh Mishra is joining us with more details on this. Ashutosh, this will be the first point of investigation. Identification of all of these vandals so that when the FIRs are registered, it's not just against unknown people. They are registered against specific protesters who resorted to the vandalism and violence.
So there are CCTV cameras available. The footages at Mukarba Chowk, Red Fort and several other instances at the National Capital is under completely grip of the CCTV cameras. So those faces can be identified. So of course, not only the unknown person, but also the people will be named. But again, two names that are even coming from the Farmers Association and their union, that Deep Sidhu and another man who has been absconding and who has been almost a criminal history. These two people who were one who instigated and including indulging not only in the violence, but also the perpetrator of hosting a religious flag on the Red Forts. And clearly, Deep Sidhu has been trying to hijack the farmers' agenda, has been always chased away by the farmers. In the past has been, asked to get away from the stage. He was not even allowed space. But on the night of the 26th of Republic, 25th of midnight, he was there on the stage and instigating people. And clearly, those complaints will have to see whether the farmers' unions are now going to make official complaint about it to the police.
Apologies, we've got a problem there with Ashutosh's audio. We'll reconnect with him and get the latest updates on the investigation. Not an easy task this that the police will have in identifying the perpetrators. There were so many of them. They didn't have their faces covered. Most of them were going about this vandalism spree without covering their faces. So in that front, the CCTV footage can be used to identify many of them. And that really will be the top focus as of now as far as the investigation is concerned.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.